In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a timer in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open your Asana project. Make sure that you're looking at the main task list for that project. This is where all your tasks are neatly organized, and it's the perfect place to add that timer feature. Once your project is open, take a look at the upper section of your task list. You should see several columns representing task names, due dates, and other details. Now, locate the plus icon. You'll find this next to the last column header in your task list view. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. What this does is open up a menu giving you access to several types of data columns that you can add to your task list. In this menu, you'll need to do a bit of searching. Scroll through the available options until you find one labeled Timer. This is the feature we want because it will allow us to track the time we spend on each task. Once you've found it, click on it. You should now see a new timer column appear right next to your existing task name and date columns. Great, we're making progress. Now, to start using your timer effectively, you'll need to click on an empty cell within that new timer column. This is the spot where you'll input the amount of time you want to allocate to the specific task you're working on. This could be a set time for how long you estimate it will take, or you might want to leave it blank for now. It's all about figuring out what works best for your workflow. Once that's done, go ahead and click on the time entry that you just created. When you do this, a Start button will appear beside your time entry. Clicking this Start button will kick off the timer, allowing you to begin tracking the time spent working on that task. Now, while the timer runs, you can actually watch it in real time, which gives you a fantastic visual of how much time you've put into your assigned project tasks. This can help you stay focused and manage your workload more effectively. After you've completed the task, or if you need to pause the timer for any reason, you can come back and check the recorded time. Once you feel satisfied with your input, you can check your results right within the Asana interface. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up and use a timer in Asana. This feature is incredibly useful for helping you manage your time better and keeping your projects organized. So next time you're working on a task, remember to keep the timer handy. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thanks for watching, and happy task management.